Allie here from alliesblog.ca. So today is Tuesday, so that means it's the YouTubers Nail Art Weekly Stamping Collabs. This week the host is Dina's Nail Art, and she wants us to do a water marble, so an actual water marble, not stamping, and then do some kind of stamping or a negative space mani. So it's got a lot going on in this mani, but I think it's going to turn out pretty cool. So I haven't done a water marble in a while, but I think I'm going to try it out with these hit the bottle polishes that I just got in my last mani box, so we'll see how it goes. But I will have everybody's links at the very end of the video, like always, or sorry, in the description box, and I will have the pictures at the very end of the video. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you like what you see, and I hope that you will also subscribe. So we're gonna go ahead and get started with what is currently on my nails and get into the video. That is what my nails look like right now. So So if you are new to water marbling, a few little tips is I like to open all of my nail polish bottles and have them like set ready to go. Have your tool ready, have something that you are going to wipe the tool on as well, so the excess nail polish that you don't want, have that ready to go. Then I usually use like room temperature water. That seems to work best for me. But yeah, so have everything set and ready to go is usually what is best. I also have to put on this. If you don't have anything like these, you can always use tape, or you can do the latex stuff as well. I've tried Vaseline, but it got kind of messy, and I can't remember what else, but I usually use tape, so you can always use tape. Anyways, we're gonna put these on, and we're gonna put all of them on. They come like this, and there's a plastic film over top, I think. There we go. Have you guys watch this disaster, so I'm gonna just get back to you. Alright, we are ready to go. These are kind of a little bit hard to put on because they kind of stick when you're trying to place them, but I got them on, so we're ready to go. They kind of feel really weird, but anyways, so I'm gonna just get going on this. Alright, so we're going to do some stamping now. I'm just going to peel off the blue film. There we go. I think I'm going to use... This one looks really cool and so does that one. I don't know. Alright, I think I'm just gonna use this one here. I'm not gonna do all of my nails though.